Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English World.
Hi there. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I am Sarah, and this is Mike. We are your English practice friends.
And today we have an incredibly practical and super useful topic for you.
Today, we are talking about English at a fast food restaurant.
Fast food restaurants, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, Subway, Chipotle, these are everywhere in the USA.
Americans eat at fast food restaurants constantly for quick lunches, after work, on road trips, with family, with friends.
And if you have ever walked up to a fast food counter and felt nervous about what to say, this episode is for you.
After today, you will walk into any fast food restaurant in America and order confidently, naturally, like you have done it 100 times.
We will go slowly, step by step, easy and clear. Let's begin. First, let's learn some essential fast food vocabulary.
The first fast food word is combo.
A combo is a meal that includes multiple items together at a discounted price, usually a main item, a side, and a drink.
For example, a #1 combo at McDonald's includes a Big Mac, medium fries, and a medium drink. It's usually cheaper than buying each item separately.
Combo. Say it. Com-bo. Combo.
The next word is value meal.
A value meal is similar to a combo. It is a complete meal at a good price. Most fast food restaurants have a numbered menu of value meals.
For example, can I get the #3 value meal, please?
Value meal. Say it. Val-you meal. Value meal.
The next word is supersized or large.
Supersized or large means the biggest size available, for drinks and French fries especially.
For example, can I get that supersized, or can I upgrade to a large?
Large. Say it. Large.
The next word is for here or to go.
For here means you will eat inside the restaurant. To go means you're taking the food with you.
The cashier will almost always ask, is that for here or to go? Know your answer.
For here or to go. Say it. For, here, or to go.
The next word is dine in.
Dine in means the same as for here. You're eating inside the restaurant.
Dine in. Say it. Dine in. Dine in.
The next word is drive-through.
The drive-through is when you stay in your car, drive up to a window, and order without going inside.
Drive-throughs are extremely popular in America. Many Americans use them every single day.
Drive-through. Say it. Drive-through. Drive-through.
The next word is refill.
A refill is when you get more of your drink after you finish the first one. Many fast food restaurants offer free refills on fountain drinks.
Refill. Say it. Refill. Refill.
Combo, value meal, large, for here or to go, dine in, drive-through, refill. 7 fast food words. Say them.
Combo, value meal, large, for here or to go, dine in, drive-through, refill. Now let's learn how to order at the counter when you walk up inside the restaurant.
When you approach the counter, the cashier will usually greet you and say something like, "Hi, welcome. Can I take your order?" Or, "What can I get for you today?"
And then it's your turn. Here are the most useful ordering phrases.
The first ordering phrase is, "Can I get the number blank, please?"
Can I get the number blank, please? Most fast food menus have numbered items. This makes ordering very easy.
Can I get the number blank, please? Say it. Can I get the number blank, please?
For example, can I get the number 2, please? The cashier knows exactly what that is.
The next phrase is, "I will have blank."
I will have blank. This is another very natural and very common ordering phrase.
I will have blank. Say it. I will have blank.
For example, I will have a chicken sandwich and a large fries, please.
The next phrase is, "Can I also get blank?"
Can I also get blank? This is how you add more items to your order.
Can I also get blank? Say it. Can I also get blank?
For example, can I also get a large Coke and an apple pie?
The next phrase is, can I make that a combo?
Can I make that a combo? You ask this when you want to upgrade a single item into a complete meal.
Can I make that a combo? Say it. Can I make that a combo?
The next phrase is, can I substitute blank for blank?
Can I substitute blank for blank? Substitute means replace one item with another.
For example, can I substitute a Diet Coke for the regular Coke? Or can I substitute a salad for the fries?
Can I substitute blank for blank? Say it. Can I substitute blank for blank?
And one very important phrase, can I have that without blank, please?
Can I have that without blank, please? This is how you ask them to leave out an ingredient you do not want.
For example, can I have the burger without onions, please? Or can I have the sandwich without mayo?
Can I have that without blank, please? Say it. Can I have that without blank, please? Now let's learn phrases for the drive-thru, because the drive-thru is slightly different.
At the drive-thru, you speak into a microphone. Sometimes the audio quality is not perfect, so speaking clearly is very important.
The drive-thru worker will say, "Welcome to blank. Can I take your order?" Or, "Go ahead with your order, please."
And you simply state your order clearly. No need to rush.
For example, "Yes, I will have a number 6 combo with a large sweet tea, and can I also get a large fries?"
The worker might then ask, what size drink would you like? Or, is that all for you today?
Is that all for you today? This means, is your order complete? Are you finished ordering?
And you answer, yes, that is everything. Or, actually, can I also add a blank?
Then they give you your total and tell you to pull forward to the window.
They will say, your total is blank. Please pull forward to the first window. Or, please pull up.
And at the window, you pay, then pull to the next window to get your food.
The drive-thru worker at the food window might say, here's your order. Can I get you any sauce packets or napkins?
And you say, yes, please. Can I get some ketchup and extra napkins?
Or, no thank you. I think I have everything.
Drive-thru English is fast, direct, and simple. Just state your order clearly and everything goes smoothly.
Now let's learn how to handle special requests and customizations.
Americans customize their fast food orders all the time, and the workers are very used to it.
The first customization phrase is, extra blank, please.
Extra blank, please. Extra means more than the standard amount.
For example, extra sauce, please. Extra cheese, please. Extra napkins, please.
Extra blank, please. Say it. Extra blank, please.
The next phrase is, easy on the blank, please.
Easy on the blank, please. Easy on means please use less of this ingredient than usual.
For example, easy on the salt, please. Easy on the sauce, please.
Easy on the blank, please. Say it. Easy on the blank, please.
The next phrase is, on the side, please.
On the side, please. This means put this ingredient in a separate container, not on the food itself.
For example, can I get the dressing on the side, please? Or, can I get the sauce on the side?
On the side, please. Say it. On the side, please.
The next phrase is, no blank, please.
No blank, please. The simplest way to remove an ingredient.
For example, no pickles, please. No onions, please. No tomato, please.
No blank, please. Say it. No blank, please. Now let's have full fast food conversations. Listen carefully.
Conversation 1. Ordering at the counter inside the restaurant.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunshine Burgers. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get the number 4 combo, please?
Sure. The number 4 comes with a double cheeseburger, medium fries, and a medium drink. What would you like to drink?
Can I upgrade the drink to a large and I will have a Sprite, please?
Of course. Can I get that large Sprite? Anything else?
Can I also get a small chocolate milkshake?
Absolutely. And would you like the burger with everything on it?
Actually, can I have that without onions, please? And easy on the ketchup.
No problem. No onions and easy ketchup on the double cheeseburger. Is that everything?
Yes, that is all. Oh, wait. Is that for here or to go?
Ha, I was just about to ask you that. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. Your total comes to $12.75, and I will have that out to you in just a couple of minutes.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Enjoy your meal.
Conversation 2. At the drive-thru.
Welcome to Burger Palace. Can I take your order?
Hi, yes. I will have a #1 combo with a large sweet tea, please. And can I substitute the regular fries for large fries?
Sure. #1 combo, large sweet tea, and upgrading to large fries. Would you like anything else?
Actually, yes. Can I also get a kid's meal, the chicken nugget one, with apple juice instead of soda, please?
Absolutely. Kids nugget meal with apple juice. Anything else for you today?
Can I also get extra napkins and some ketchup packets?
Of course. Your total is $16.50. Please pull forward to the first window.
Thank you.
Pulls forward.
Here is $16.50.
Perfect. And your change is $3.50. Please pull up to the second window for your food.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Conversation 3. Dealing with a problem with your order.
Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake with my order.
Oh, I am sorry about that. What seems to be the issue?
I asked for no pickles on my burger, but it has pickles on it, and I think I got a medium drink, but I ordered a large.
I sincerely apologize for that. Let me fix that right away. I'll get you a new burger without pickles and upgrade your drink to a large.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Of course, it will be just a moment. Again, I am so sorry for the inconvenience.
No worries. These things happen.
Did you hear all the fast food phrases? #4 combo, upgrade the drink, large Sprite, no onions, easy on the ketchup, for here please, #1 combo, substitute, kids meal, apple juice instead of soda, extra napkins, ketchup packets, no pickles, upgrade your drink, and the polite complaint.
All completely natural, all completely real. That is everyday fast food English in America.
That is the end of this episode.
Your homework? Go to a fast food restaurant this week or practice the ordering dialogue at home. Say your full order out loud. Can I get the number blank, please? Can I also get blank? Is that for here or to go?
Practice it until it flows completely naturally. You are ready.
Subscribe to Talk English World. Hit the bell icon, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and write your ideal fast food order in English. What would you order? What customizations would you make? Practice right there in the comments.
Share this video with someone who wants to feel confident ordering food in English in the USA.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Go enjoy some delicious fast food and practice your English. Take care.